Okay, I finished off row 14 here, and I did my chain up for my turning chain. We're going to look at row 15, which we're going to work from right to left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 is 11. So we need 11 double crochets there. So we're going to count this as 1, and then we're going to make 10 more. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's this here. Now we have 1, 2, 3 open blocks. Chain 1, double crochet. And we skipped 1. We're just making blocks over blocks. Open blocks over open blocks, I should say. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 on top of 1, 2, 3. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rows that are going to be exactly the same. So we can just follow the same pattern for these rows. 15. Then we're going to have 2 more rows just like this one. So just follow along what you've done for this row, the previous row. You look at your pattern here. You have your 2 squares, your 2 solid blocks, then you have your 4 solid blocks, and we're going to do 3 more rows of that 4 solid blocks. And let you go ahead and do that. Just do this same row as row 14, and we're going to do that 4 times, and then I'll be back. Okay, we've done our 4 rows. We have 4 rows that are exactly the same. So if you look at our rows here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that puts us to the end of row 17. So now we're on row 18. So we have to start here on the left. We're going to be going left to right. Our first part of the row is the same. We still have 5 blocks that are solid. So we need 11 double crochets. So we're going to go ahead and do our 11 double crochets for the beginning of row 18. And we have a total of 23 rows, so we're getting pretty close to the end here. We're just going to do our 11 double crochets to make up our 5 blocks, of 5 solid blocks. Okay, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have our 11. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 open blocks. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And 1 more. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So we've done this. Now we have 2 solids, which is 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we need 5 double crochets here. 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 open blocks. So here's 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3 here left, so we know that we did 1, so we have to make a open mesh on each of these open blocks. And by now you should know chain 1, skip 1, that's an open. And not to forget to count the last one made and the first one made. And then the rest of this row is double crochets. And that finishes row 18. So you just finish this row with double crochets, chain up, and then come back to finish, start row 19. Okay, chained up, row 19 starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 solid blocks, so 6 times 2 is 12 and 1 is 13, so we need 13 double crochets including our turning chain. So we have 2, 3, 4, 11, 12 is in the space under the chain 1, and 13. Okay, that's these. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 open blocks. So we're going to work those. Chain 1, skip 1, till we have 8. Let's see how many I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just enough. Mark that. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The rest of the row is double crochets. 6 times 2 is 12 and 13, so we should have 13, counting this one. Ooh, there's some thunder. First one goes under the chain space. Finish that row, chain up, and come back for row 20. I finished row 19, chained up. Let's see what we have to start row 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 solid blocks. So 7 times 2 is 14 and 1 is 15. So we're going to make 15 double crochets at the beginning of row 20. 4, 5, 13, 14, 15. Let's check it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Got our 15. Now we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open mesh. So we chain 1, skip 1 into the next one. And we have to do that till we have 6 open mesh. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then we have the rest of our row. It's going to be double crochets, and we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is 14, 15. We need 15 of them. So we want to double check it when we get to the end, make sure that we did what we needed to do. 4, 5, 13, 14, 15. Chain up, turn, walk off, row row 20. Now we're on 21, so we're working right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 is 16 and 1 is 17. So we're going to start off with this one as number 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17. Alright. That's these marked off. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 open mesh. Chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip 1. Then we're going to have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to have another 17 double crochets to finish off our row. As you can see, all filet is, it's a matter of math, just using solid blocks and open blocks. And if you know a little bit of multiplication and addition, you can figure out how many you need for each section. Okay, chain up, turn, mark this done. Now if you look at your last 2 rows here, they are solid all the way. So that is just 2 rows of double crochet to finish off your pattern. And so you would just chain up and work double crochets in every double crochet and in every chain 1 space for the next 2 rows, and then you will be finished. I've completed the last 2 rows of double crochet, and I added a round of single crochet all the way around. I put 3 single crochets in the corners, and this is the finished product.